These videos came from one spreadsheet, and I never opened an editor.
Faceless channels post 30 of these a week. Same setup, one sheet in, finished videos out. So today I'm testing 4 ways to do it, including the best free bulk video generator setups that actually work right now. We start with the easiest one, and we end with something that runs by itself while you sleep. I tested every one of these this week, and I'll show you exactly where each one breaks.
Let's start with Canva. Open Canva and search for Instagram Reel. Pick any template you like. I'm using this one, and honestly, it doesn't matter which, because we're about to replace everything inside it. Here's the part people get backwards. The template comes first. The spreadsheet comes second. Whatever you design here is what every single video is going to look like. So set your layout, your fonts, your colors, and leave the text as placeholders. Now go to Apps in the left sidebar and search for Bulk Create. On most accounts, it's already sitting in that left-hand menu. Open it up and you get 2 options. Type your data in manually or upload a spreadsheet. Now the step that actually matters, mapping. For this test, let's enter the data manually just so you can see how it actually works. Your columns are the elements you want to change. Name them clearly, headline, subtitle, background, so you don't get lost later when you're mapping. Then each row is one video. The values you type across a row are what that video pulls in. Once you're happy with it, right-click each text element, choose Connect Data, and pick the column it should pull from. Do that for every element you want to change. You can swap images the same way. One thing to watch out for, your images need to be uploaded into your Canva folder first. If they're not there, there's nothing to connect them to. Then hit Continue. And there it is. Same design, different content, 0 editing. That's Canva Bulk Create Video in about 90 seconds. Want to scale that up to 30? Get ChatGPT to write the spreadsheet for you. Tell it your topic, how many rows you want, and what your columns are. Then paste the result straight in. That's the whole trick.
The catch? Bulk Create is a Canva Pro feature. The 30-day free trial covers it, and I'll come back to why that matters at the end. But everything you just watched is a template. You designed it. The AI didn't generate any actual footage. So let's fix that.
This is Google Flow. It's from Google Labs and it runs the VO models. Here's how to use Google Flow in about a minute. Before you type anything, get 2 things set first, your aspect ratio and your model. Then make sure you're speaking to the Flow agent, not any other mode. This is the part people skip and then wonder why nothing works. We're running OmniFlash on this one, so in a single prompt, we'll ask it to generate 3 videos with all of that baked in. Then we just check the results. No template, no design work. The model builds the footage itself. 2 things to notice here. First, watch the credits in the corner. They drop every time you generate. Nothing about this is unlimited, whatever you've read online. Second, and this one matters for the next part, make sure you're in all media and that you're speaking to the agent. That's the mode we're about to automate.
Only need 3 or 4 clips. Stay right here. You get to look at each result and reprompt before you spend anything else. But past 5 clips, sitting there clicking generate is a waste of your afternoon.
So here's BulkyGen. It's a Google Flow automation extension that batch processes your prompts for you. The free tier covers 50 videos a day. Install it from the Chrome Web Store. It's a third-party tool, not a Google product, and it asks for permission to act on your Flow account. Read that prompt before you accept it. Now, same rule as before. You need to be in all media and you need to be speaking to the agent. If you're in the wrong mode, nothing happens, and you'll assume the extension is broken. It isn't. You're just in the wrong place. Open the BulkyGen panel and paste your prompts, 1 per line. Hit generate and it works through the queue on its own. Prompt, wait, download, next one.
Now here's the part nobody tells you. This does not save you credits. 10 videos cost the same whether you click them yourself or let the extension do it. What you're saving is your attention. And because it runs unattended, it can empty your balance faster than you ever would by hand. So start with a short list, 3 or 4 clips. Do it manually, a batch. Use BulkyGen. That's the whole rule.
Last one. And this is where it stops being manual work at all. This is Creatomate. Think of it as a bulk AI video generator that runs on autopilot. There are plenty of templates to choose from, and you can tweak any of them, or just build your own from scratch. It works the same way as Canva Bulk Create. You mark any element as dynamic by clicking this. Then you go back to the main feed and either upload a spreadsheet or type your entries in manually. You get 50 free credits to start. Enough to test the whole thing, but not to build a library. And credits aren't videos. Each render is priced on resolution, frame rate, and length. So the higher the quality and the longer the clip, the faster your credits burn. When you're just experimenting, keep your clips short and your resolution low, and you'll stretch them a lot further.
Quick thing before we get into it, this next part is the one that took me the longest to figure out. And it's the payoff of the whole video. So if any of this has been useful so far, do me a favor, subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch the follow-ups, okay? Here's where it gets good. Here's the real difference from Canva. Even on the free plan, Creatomate gives you API access, which means you can wire it into Zapier, Make.com, or N8N and automate the whole thing. Canva won't let you do that. Their autofill API is enterprise only. So Bulk Create stays a manual in the browser job unless you're on a serious plan.
I used N8N automation, and I'll be straight with you about how I built it. I connected Claude code to Visual Studio Code, installed the N8N repos, and had it build the workflow from a structured prompt. So the thing writing my automation was itself an AI. If you want a detailed deep dive on that, let me know in the comments. Here's what the workflow actually does. It reads the rows from a Google Sheet, then it loops through them one at a time. For each row, it fires a render request over to Creatomate. It grabs the render ID, waits a moment, then checks whether that render actually finished. If it succeeded, it downloads the video and uploads it straight to Drive. If it failed or it timed out, it logs that and moves on, instead of crashing the whole run. And when the last row is done, the loop closes out. That's it. Sheet in, finished videos in Drive. You don't touch anything. Add rows to that sheet and the videos just appear. That's AI video automation doing the work of a content calendar by itself. So, quickly, template-based shorts today, no learning curve, Canva Bulk Create. Real AI footage, just a few clips, Google Flow on its own. A batch of them, Flow plus BulkyGen, fully hands-off, running on a schedule, Creatomate and N8N. Which one should we automate next? Tell me in the comments. Catch you on the flip side here on AI World.